Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360, and today we are going to unbox the Amazfit Bip S. This is a new smartwatch from the company, so let's go ahead and unbox the device. But before that, be sure you are subscribed to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel and click that bell icon so that you're the first to know when we put a new video. So this is the box of the Amazfit Bip S. It does have a couple of key specifications laid out here on the side. So you get an always-on color display, a water resistant up to 50 meters, lightweight, heart rate sensor notifications, built-in GPS. This is something you don't really see in budget smartwatches, multi-sport tracking, and long-lasting battery. At the back, it does not have a lot of features mentioned. It does say it is Bluetooth 5. We're not going to wait any further. Let's go ahead, unbox this device and see what it has in store. The Amazfit box. This is the Amazfit Bip S. I'm going to take everything out. That is pretty much it. Now this device is quite light, and the spec sheet does mention a 31-gram weight, which is light. You're barely going to notice it while you're wearing it. It's got a silicone strap, and at the back this is the heart rate sensor. These look like pogo pin connectors, which will definitely be for the charger. A single button on the side. Let's see if it powers on. It looks like it's completely dead at the moment. Let's see what else do you get in the box. The documentation is almost as thick as the watch, and let's take a look at the charging cradle for the watch. Now this is a USB type A, which is like a full-size USB port, and this connector is pretty much wired to the charging base, which means that you cannot separate it. You'll have to carry the entire unit, and it seats very easily on it. So this is water resistant up to 5 ATM. It has a built-in GPS chip. This is a Sony 28nm GPS chip is what Amazfit says. It has GPS as well as glowness, which should ideally help it track outdoor workouts better. And speaking of workouts, it is capable of tracking 10 exercises, and swimming is one of them. So this is water resistant up to 5 ATM, so you can take it swimming. Now, what Amazfit says is that this particular device has a battery life of 40 days. So it's on a higher side, but of course it says that it's under basic usage, and with our kind of usage we can expect probably 15 days. That is what Amazfit says as well. This is completely out of juice, so we've got a power bank to quickly power it on and see if we get anything out of it. Watch is charging, and at the front you have a 1.28 inch transflective display. So it's a tiny display, it's a color display obviously, and the advantage is that you have 40 different watch dials, and some of these are also editable. You can edit the different parameters that you would want to see on your watch face, so that's a good thing in terms of customization. In terms of battery capacity, if you guys are curious as to what battery it has, it is a 200 milliamp hour battery that's there on this device. We have tested out the Amazfit Bip, and that managed good battery life. Even the Bip Lite, I guess, that managed very good battery life. And it remains to be seen what Amazfit prices this particular device at. We have unboxed it before it was officially launched in India, but you can see the pricing here right now. So this is what it is priced at. What do you think about the pricing? Let us know in the comment section down below. We will be testing this device out, and if you are curious, well, this supports Android as well as iOS, so you will be able to use this device with pretty much any smartphone you have right now. I'm not sure if there's good support for Windows, but Android and on iOS you will be able to support, or rather use, the Amazfit Bip S easily. We will be testing it out, and after which we will post a full review of the Amazfit Bip S. And that was a quick unboxing and our first look at the Amazfit Bip S. Now, what do you think about the smartwatch? Let us know in the comment section down below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets360.com.